Hey, this is Nick Lowery, Kansas City Chiefs Hall of Famer with Kansas City Chiefs Hall of Famer. We both played with the New York Jets, but Tony Richardson and I are just honored to be here with Stand With Us, getting a history of the Jewish faith and the history from 3,000 years ago. It's especially important, I think, during Hanukkah to celebrate the triumphs and the comebacks, and we're hoping to help with one more comeback during a very difficult time. We're honored to be here.
Yeah, as an undergrad in education, I think sometimes people just take a snippet. Sometimes you have to dive deep and understand what the history really is about before you start making criticisms or biased opinions until you really study it and understand it. Knowledge is key, and I think even being here today and being with Stand With Us, I think it's just amazing. Like Nick said, we just want to do everything. We want to be a voice for sometimes people who are voiceless, and also stand on, you know what, do your history, do your research, and understand what's going on around you.
Here's a great statistic. Almost a million Jews around the world in 1948 in Muslim countries, and now there are only maybe 27,000. So, point is, where do our Jewish brothers and sisters go? Where are they safe? Where are they respected? Where are all people respected equally? And that's what we're about.